I'm Anil Kumar, and in this part 2 of solving quadratic equations, we have some examples which require kind of strategy to solve. Question number 3 here is x minus 1 over x whole square minus 7 times x minus 1 over x plus 12 equals to 0. As you can notice, this is kind of a quadratic equation where the variable is x minus 1 over x. So if I do a substitution of x minus 1 over x equals to, let's say, p, then I can rewrite this question as p square minus 7p plus 12 equal to 0. Do you see that? So with this substitution, we get a quadratic equation. Now you are masters in solving quadratic equations, so now it becomes very simple. You can factor and solve, correct? So we'll further factor and solve. To factor, we're looking for two numbers. Let's say m times n as 12, their product is 12, and their sum is m plus n is minus 7. The two numbers could be, to get 12, 4 times 3, both negative, since we need, 4 times 3. When you add, you get minus 7. So you can factor this as p minus 4 times p minus 3 equal to 0. Correct? So that is how you can factor. Once you have two factors multiplied to give you 0, you have two possible solutions. One of them is p equals to 4, the other one is p equals to 3. Is it okay? So these are the two solutions which you get from these factors. But you don't really have to find the value of p, you need to find the value of x, correct? So let's get back to our original equation. Substitution was x minus 1 over x is p, so p is what? P is x minus 1 over x is p, so that becomes 4, and in this case x minus 1 over x should be equal to 3. Is it okay? So from now we'll continue with these new equations, right? And find what x is. The strategy here is take common denominator, multiply everything by x, right? So we do times x, both sides. So that gives you x squared minus 1 equal to 4x. This becomes x squared minus 1 equals to 3x. Bringing terms together, x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. X squared minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this cannot be factored easily. We use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? For a general equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. If you apply this formula here, what do you get? You get x equals to minus of 4 is plus 4, plus minus b squared, which is 16, minus 4ac, that gives you plus 1, divided by 2. And in this case, we get x equals to 3 plus minus 9 plus 1 square root of 2. Is it okay? So these are the two possible solutions. Is it okay? So that gives you two values. Let me write down in short. So we get 4, we can say plus minus square root of 17 over 2, and here, if you do, we can do plus here, and 4 minus square root of 17 over 2. Okay. In this case, the solution will be 3 plus square root of 10 over 2, or 3 minus square root of 10 over 2. Is it okay? So that becomes your final solution of the given equation. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps, right? So let me rewrite the answers here. So your answer for x is, we get 4, we can write plus minus square root 17 over 2, or 3 plus minus square root of 10 over 2. Is it okay? So that becomes the solution of the given equation. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. So break down your question using substitution. Follow simple steps to get your answer. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Feel free to share and comment on my videos. If you like, you can put some likes. Thank you, and all the best.